Hello everybody and welcome to the Ask Chuck McKee YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a new product called Katana One Speed. Remember, the goal with this product is to cut our centering time down to about 9.5 minutes. Remember, when we're prepping this material, I really need you to wear gloves so that we don't get the oil from our hands on this material. It's very, very important. Remove the sprue like you normally do with a diamond disc to separate it from the mandrel, and use whatever burr you like to use to remove the sprue itself. Now, we're going to talk about an awesome 3-step polishing system using the Messenger system. We're going to start with the blue twist polisher. You can see the item numbers here, and we're going to pre-polish this block. Now listen to me on this. We're going to do a very, very light touch when we're using this blue wheel. Very light touch, very low speed, and remember, do not touch the contacts on this. We're going to go over the occlusal surface just lightly, the buccal, and also the lingual surfaces. Once you're done with this, you're going to notice how the material starts to change properties and look a little bit smoother. Now, once we're done with the blue, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the next polisher, and this is the yellow. There are different opinions on to use the yellow or the beige. We've been testing the yellow and having great results. Again, here's the Patterson item number for this, or the manufacturer number if that helps you as well. Now, with this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go back over this unit here, and we're going to lightly go over the occlusal surface. We're going to lightly go over the buccal and lingual surface. Now, in addition to this time, we can lightly touch the contacts. No more than lightly. Now, keep in mind, when you're done with this whole process, we need to blow very clean air or brush this material off of here, okay? You can also notice that the material is starting to turn a little bit and getting a glossy look to it. So you'll see that there. It's a really, really nice glossy look. Now, once we're done with this, again, we're going to go to the final step, which is just a little cotton brush. And we're going to lightly buff this entire surface of this crown. Even though this is cotton, I really, really want you to take your time with the contacts and go barely just light, and maybe not even touch them if you can. Once you're done with this, again, I'm going to just remind you that we need to get some clean air and blow this off, or use a light brush to brush it. Okay, we cannot have any particles in there. Okay, you'll see a nice sheen on this here when we're done. Let's turn this around and take a look at it. See how that's really nice and shiny? We're going to go in the speed fire, and it should be about a 9.5 minute fire time, sometimes a little less. And then if it's not quite like you want, if you want a little bit more gloss to it, as soon as it comes out of the speed fire, just make sure you to hit it with that brush wheel again. Again, please do not use diamond paste. And when you're touching this in the white state, do not use your bare hands. Only once it's polished you can do that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have an amazing day and this video was helpful.